Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today I am going to give you a quick tip. Now a few days ago I did a video on 10 ways to use rub-ons. Now under that video I had a question regarding somebody using rub-ons. I don't know whose rub-ons they were using, but they said when they used rub-ons in either their journals or scrapbooking, they found that they were a little bit tacky. So when you sort of like turn the pages and that, they sort of like stuck to the other page and made it a little bit you know, not nice for your journals. So they asked me if there was any way that we could get rid of that tackiness on them. So I have come up with something which I think works really well. Now these rub-ons are from Taperlogy. Now I didn't find them very sticky at all, which is nice. They were really lovely ones. So but I'm going to show you how you can do it if you find your rub-ons are quite just have that little tackiness to them. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to use my Folks of the Forest journal now because I have found a lovely rub-on in a little mushroom, and I thought it would go lovely in my Folks of the Forest journal. So I'm going to show you what I did. So I'm just going to cut this out. Now rub-ons are fabulous, so you just cut them out like that. I'll pop a link to these rub-ons as well under the video. Just peel off the back like that. Now I'm going to pop this underneath just to give me a nice flat surface, and I'm going to just pop it there like that. Look at that, and it matches my little mushroom on this side, doesn't it? So what I'm going to do, take that, I'm just going to rub it lovely, just give it a little rub like that. I've got all sorts of things underneath my nice fat journal here, but give them a little rub. Now I don't really use rub-ons in journals, so but because I've got this beautiful little mushroom on there, I've got a few more on there as well. Look at that, just looks fabulous, doesn't it? Now these I don't find very sticky at all, but if you have that problem, all I've got in here, look, is I'm going to take it out here. I'm going to take a little bit of paper. Now this is talcum powder. This is like little baby talcum powder that you can get. So all you do is take a little bit. Now I'm going to keep this with my rub-ons anyway. So I've just popped it into a little pot, and I'm going to take a little bit, just dip your finger in it like that. So you've got a little bit on there and rub it over. It's that simple. So take a little bit and just rub it over like that, and if you've got any stickiness to it, it just disappears and you can't see any residue of it at all. So that just, you know, you can just feel it so soft, because sort of like baby powder has got that lovely softness to it. It just takes, if there's any stickiness, it will just come off, and there's nothing on there. So I'm going to show you again. Let's pop, shall we pop a little butterfly on there? Now let's have a look at this one. This is beautiful. So I'm going to pop a little butterfly at the top as well, just so simple. Look at these rub-ons, are just beautiful. So let's come down a little bit so you can see. Take that off. I'm going to pop the butterfly just up there like that. So yes, you must, if you've got rub-ons or you actually purchase them from a Taperlogy, because they have some beautiful ones on there, and you want to pop them into your journals. It's a precaution as well, so you could do that anyway, just in case. Look at that, these just go on beautifully, but I don't find these ones sticky. They are quite smooth, they are lovely. But just tap it on a little bit of talc like that and just rub it over, and it just almost becomes part of the page, and it's beautiful. So there we go guys, that is a simple tip for you. If you find that your rub-ons are a little bit tacky and they stick to pages, what happens is, I think when the pages go together, they you know, stick to the pages, whether it's the humidity or anything like that, I don't know. But look at that, that's not going to stick at all. So there we go, guys, quick tip for you. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you soon. All right, guys, bye bye.